Meanwhile, the Prime Minister has issued a statement, condolences to families of those who died. Says that he's reviewed the situation with Home Minister Shah. Those affected are being assisted. I want to go back to Maria Shakil for more on that. The Prime Minister and the Home Minister have spent much of the last week campaigning in Bihar. Second phase of polling ends tomorrow, and then comes this blast just ahead of polling. The Prime Minister's statement reviewed the situation with Amit Shah. Those affected are being assisted. Clearly, the government also, particularly the Prime Minister's office, being very careful in their choice of words at the moment. No one at the moment is using any word that could remotely suggest at this stage, Maria, that this was a terror attack.
Look at what the Home Minister said, that all angles are being investigated. That's what the word that came from the Home Minister. Home Minister Amit Shah will be reaching LNJP hospital any moment now, and thereafter he's expected to be here where I am, which is the site of the blast. And I'm going to ask the camera person to zoom in and show where exactly we are. There is that board of the Red Fort, you can see very closely. This is where, almost like 200 meters from there is the blast site. Of course, it's being called as explosion or blast right now. Rajdeep, the word terror is not being used by the top officials of the government, even as the entire investigation begins and the forensic and the evidence is being gathered. But if you can see, the barricades are very much in place. The entire area for any kind of movement of the residents has been stopped completely. It is largely the media which is gathered here, Rajdeep, at the moment to try and get voices of the eyewitnesses who may have seen what happened soon after the blast, when actually there are images which have emerged of explosion, the fireball coming up in the air. But of course, such was the impact that it not only burned the vehicle which was carrying the explosion, but also the vehicles which were close by. So this incident happening near gate number 1 of the Red Fort metro station, and the entire impact has been felt in that area. But as you pointed out rightly, Rajdeep, on a busy evening when commuters were on their way home, it is of course a working Monday, so you can expect the entire crowd, of course the movement of the vehicles also, because this is the place where the metro station is. We are close to a temple as well, and I'll ask the camera person to zoom in and show that temple which is right there across the road. So very close to where I am, Rajdeep, this is where the blast has happened. Of course, Home Minister Amit Shah is expected to be here, where the top officials of the Delhi Police, the NIA, and of course the NSG are all expected to gather here a few moments from now to collect more evidence.